So you're a marketer, or you run a marketing agency, or you just run a 9x12 postcard, and you've got a new client for your 9x12 postcard, and they're excited and you're excited. Everybody's hoping that this thing absolutely crushes, and then you get their ad copy and it says something like, "Visit our location, we're great." Well, that's like inviting someone to a party and not telling them that there's free food. You're leaving out the most important part. So in this video, we're going deep on how offers can make or break your clients' results, and why you, as the marketing expert, should be guiding them toward offers that actually work and convert. And no, this doesn't mean that every business has to slash their prices or devalue their brand. It just means we help them get more customers in their door without lighting their margins on fire. So let's go. Number one is why offers matter. Here's the blunt truth. Most consumers don't care about your client's business until you give them a reason to care. And that reason is usually a strong offer. So let's say you're advertising a chiropractor, and option A is local chiropractor, friendly staff, walk-ins welcome. Or option B is $29 new patient special, includes exam, x-rays, and first adjustment. Which one makes people pick up the phone? Exactly. A good offer answers the customer's two biggest questions: why should I try you? And why should I try you right now? Without that, people keep scrolling. So number two is the best option. Now some clients freak out at the idea of you giving a discount. Totally understandable, but here's the conversation I want you to have with them. Yes, you're giving them $15 off of that first visit, but that new customer might be worth $800 this year alone for you. Never mind the coming years after that. You gotta become more than just a media rep and become a strategist for them. So let's use simple math. Let's say a massage parlor or a massage place runs a buy one, get one half off deal. They lose $30 on the second massage that they gave away, but that new client ends up coming back monthly for 6 months after that. So suddenly that $30 giveaway turned into $360 in revenue. That's not a loss, that's a recruitment cost, and the ROI is massive. People are motivated by urgency, scarcity, and value, and that's why a limited time offer still works. And that's why only 20 available makes people click. And that's why your postcard, which goes to 5,000 homes, needs something that makes people think, ooh, I better not miss this because it's limited time. So a strong offer doesn't just drive more leads, it makes your postcard also look better, and it makes the whole campaign feel like it actually delivers value. We've got that sticky effect like we talk about. So that means better client retention, more referrals for you, and less explaining why their bland "just come visit" ad didn't work, because that's embarrassing. So let's break down some examples by business type. So for restaurants, go classic. Buy one entree, get one free. Or a free appetizer with 2 dinner entrees. I love that one. 20% off lunch orders Monday through Thursday, because Monday through Thursday is the slower times for restaurants typically. Or for fitness studios or gyms, have them give a free taste. So first class free, or get a week pass for $1, or bring a friend for free. Those are just examples of how gyms can add to their existing client base because they are a subscription model. So the more people they drive in the funnel, the more people that they have recurring over time. Okay, and then for like an auto repair shop, you want something that's a trust builder, like free brake inspection and $20 off any repair. So the brake inspection gets people in the door because it's free, and then when the auto repairman diagnoses more problems, he then upsells them and they get a little discount off of that as well. Or they can just do a $25 flat fee for the oil repair and $40 off of any service over $200. That's another way to do it. And then for chiropractors or health physicians, these are always winners. $29 for new patient special, free consultation and posture scan. This will bring the chiropractor's warmest leads because they're coming in knowing that they have a problem, and that's why they want you to diagnose that problem. And by the way, if you're a member of our school community, I just added a massive list of all the best possible offers you could recommend to your clients in like dozens of industries, and that's in the freebies section of our group, totally free. So if you're in our group, go check that out after you're done watching this video, of course. Okay, and then for retail stores, you could do some smart bundling, like spend $50, get a free $10 gift card, or a free gift with any purchase, or something simple like buy 2, get 1 free. So think about it. These aren't desperate discounts. They're strategic incentives to bring in the right, and new customers are important because they're valuable down the line. So your small business clients should be willing to spend to attract those new customers. Unless, of course, they don't believe in their services and they don't think those customers will ever come back because they suck at their services. That's on them, and they got a bigger fish to fry. Now, important caveat, not every client needs an offer. So if they're already overloaded or booked solid, or the industry is super premium, pushing more traffic might hurt them more than help them. Like, I wouldn't tell a high-end plastic surgeon to offer a Groupon. In those cases, help them position their value, not by discounting. So for examples, buy referral only, which creates intrigue. Or book a consultation, 2 spots left, which creates urgency without discounting. So it's all about context. And most clients, they should use offers, but some clients, they just need positioning. So you can help them figure out what's best for them. So let's talk about logistics. When your client runs an offer, make sure it's bold and clear, like top headline, not buried, the biggest thing on there. It also needs to be very easy to redeem. So use something like a QR code or a simple call to action. Also make it time limited, like I talked about. Even if it's fake urgency, give it an expiration. You could also use a trackable promo code, special phone number, or even just bring this card to the store for the discount, which I personally love the most because it just makes it as simple as possible for the customer. It goes without saying, if you suck at ad design, hire a designer. 9by12method.com/design will hook you up. So like I said, if you want help crafting these kinds of offers, I literally put together a ton of different offers from tons of different industries. You can find that in our group. You could even use it as a checklist and track which offers do the best, and it's totally free for our members at the freebies section of our group. And if you're curious about a good offer for any industry that I don't mention, comment it below and I'll respond to your comment with a good offer that you could recommend to the business owner of that industry. So the bottom line, and all of a sudden you can see my face because the sun went away, your job isn't to sell ad space, it's to help your clients win with it. And when they get results, they'll come back and they'll tell their friends, and you grow your territory with happy advertisers that keep coming back for more. So offers are the fastest path to that result. So I recommend you start suggesting them confidently and educate your clients. Don't be afraid to say, look, I've seen what works. And you shouldn't feel like you're just forcing them to offer a discount. You are positioning them in a way that will bring them more business down the line, and it should create a positive ROI in the future. Remember, we're not just out here building our own success stories, we're building local business success stories. So I'll catch you in the group. Let's make these campaigns unstoppable. And remember, if all else fails, just slap free pizza and just watch the magic happen.